it's very early. It's 4:55. I'm getting ready. Oh, I'm going to work. I have a lot of things that are ready for today. It's my Friday. It's Wednesday, but it's my Friday. Usually I have my days off on Thursday and Friday. Other times, depend on my scheduling with my cashiers, is Friday and Saturday. I already took note of everything that I need to buy. I like to do my groceries and all my shopping on my Friday, so then I'm ready for the weekend and the next week in that way. Because I have to drive here. The other thing that I wanted to mention is, sorry that part of my video is very quiet. I try to be very quiet when my husband is sick, but sometimes it's like it gets kind of boring. So I hope it's not bad, and if it's too much, I will cut a lot of the days that is without talking. So we'll see. I'm just coming out of work. I don't even remove my mask because I'm going inside of Freddy's to get what I need for the weekend. It's raining, it's beautiful, and I really want to begin my weekend. It's raining, but I'm trying to make him get tired. He doesn't get tired so much since we don't walk, and he needs the exercise. He's getting weight with this quarantine. Are you getting fat? Go to the corner if you want to do something. You too, to the corner. To the corner. No. No. She's the attacker now.
Oh no, she is the attacker.
I know. No, she's attacking.
I am saying she is the attacker.
Oh.
She has no mercy.
It's very good.
So 6 o'clock should be a good time.
It's a perfect time. It looks so clean now. It looks very clean.
Yes, it does.
I think I did a good job.
Very good. You like?
Pretty good. It got really windy. And we lost the power for a few minutes, and now we are back. I need to charge this one. I already downloaded another book. Have a pumpkin bread cake that I got. I will finish this book and I will read the other one. Oh, it's so dark, this guy. These critters will have friends. There it is. Hey there. We'll get your friends today. Many friends. Okay, this is not the easiest part. I have to begin to move. Let's move a little more so you will see better my fish. I put water from the aquarium here. I will turn the light. Another one, that one. The bad thing, well, they think that it's food time every time that I come here. What they don't know is like it's moving time. So this bowl has water from the main aquarium, and it's time to move. And now is when they don't get happy. It's no food, it's fishing time. I'm sorry, it's just a few seconds. You're good, you're good. I'm not trying to damage anybody. It's no easy. It's just a few seconds. They get stressed about that, but we have to go. Where is your friends? They will stay kind of in the bottom of the aquarium, on the bowl, and that is good, so they are not jumping. And it's not easy to get them. They're fast. Come on, we're just going to a new home. Okay, let's move these ones that are here to the new home, then we come back. So messy, but we got it. All of them are out. I need to clean these and clean this one for the next group of fish. Okay, let's go to see the fish. And there they are on the yellow stuff. I know I'm paying attention to the fish. I know. In some point he will tell them that's my corner and they will move away until the belly is not full. Here we go. They're very territorial, so that's her or his corner. There are the groups. Some of them is still hiding a little. They will get used. Some of the worms got stuck here. There. They will eat from there. More worms. Oh, I guess somebody found a female. Look at that. Let's see if we can see the difference. Females and males. Females has like a triangle on the belly. Females have that little thingy. More there. Hi, friend. Okay, everything is unplugged. I already took the heater off. The other heater is there. I will throw away that one. It's really bad. This is the filters. I will totally change the filters. If you see, it's bad. Trying to don't make a mess. Put here. It's another thing that will change. And I will go to, I already took almost half of the water, so it's easy to carry. And I will go throw the water and clean this with white vinegar and water. Just a few of white vinegar. That's the way to clean this, and so when you put fish here, it doesn't affect it. Okay, we got all the chemicals or treatment ready. Now it's time to plug everything and let the aquarium do the magic to get everything working and healthy. So my fish, the new fish, when I get the new fish, will be happy too. So need to program the heater. Let's see what is the temperature that is. And from there, just wait until tomorrow. I will go tomorrow to get my fish. Right now it shows 90, but it's not 90. And all that floating thing, that's all the chemical and stuff that I put. A lot of those will go later on the filter. I changed the filter. I put back the decoration that helps the fish to hide and feel protected.